Wadau. Tunajua my lecturers. Okay. I need to speak in English. I have international viewers. Tasema aje na English wadau. Oh my god. Niwaite aje? Another take. Ladies and gentlemen. Okay, don't mind whatever has happened. So in Kenya currently lecturers are on strike and we're not going to school, and I've had a very rough weekend. How can I describe it? I can't put words to it. My house is not currently in a good state. Let me first of all show you how the house looks like currently so that I tell you what's in my mind. Let's first appreciate that I have made my bed, okay? Yes, I've made my bed, but I need to clean everything on my bed. But hapa kuna nguo, hapa kunazo, like the closet is also not organized. This is my desk. I'm telling you, I've had a very rough week. These are my gears. If you have seen my video previously, unajua inakaanga hapo juu ilianguka, karibu iniangukie. Vyombo sijaosha you guys, but hata kama sijafanya any of those, at least I've made my bed, and at least I've cleaned my teeth, and I've cleaned my face, and I've cleaned my body. Connie, how am I supposed to place this thing? I need to set up my tripod there. Yes, I think there imeshikilia vizuri. And guys, before I continue, can you see those pimples underneath my... They are so itchy. Yo! Niko na pimples at very specific places, okay? Here, and here. So I'm like, Connie, nilikuwa nikuwe ng'ombe na sikujua. Bad jokes. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set up my tripod and maybe the lights so that ni clip simu iwa ini record nikisoma. Maybe if I'm actually going to include the time lapse ya nikisoma, if that is if, okay? If. The second thing, I'm going to study kidogo, and after studying I'm now going to have decided where to start. But first, I am so thirsty, guys. Just allow me. First thing in the morning, you need to hydrate. Okay. Okay, what I've said is I'm going to... Let me retaliate. Is it retaliate?
Reiterate. Let me reiterate.
Whatever, man. I'm going to set up my tripod and then study for a little bit, deciding what I'm actually going to start with. Thank you for everyone who has subscribed.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you.
My tripod and my light, I told you everything I got from Lenny Ventures. Study area.
I can't wait, a first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me me.
I'm not going to record myself nikisoma, but if there is anyone out there mwenye ana struggle na kusoma ama umeingia first year and you would want to like get a tip, this is for you. Ukisoma, you might feel like writing notes, and yes, notes ni mzuri, but usiandike everything yenye iko kwa PDF, okay? What I would advise is unasoma PDF and then ukiandika hapa kwa notes, kwa kitabu, write in the way that you can understand, not benye PDF imeandika. Kama PDF hapa kama inasema how does decision making arise in industries, inaanzia economic problems arises due to scarcity. The first thing nimeandika there has to be an economic problem. That is how mimi ninaelewa. The moral of this story is write what wewe unaelewa kwa kitabu yako, okay? Hata ukienda kwa lectures, enda lecture room kama mwalimu ana dictate notes. Okay, hao walimu wa dictate notes wananiboingi because they want you to write what anasema, and utapata mwingine anasema economic problem. Okay, sometimes that inakuanga kinda weird to listen to, si ndio? Like in such a situation sometimes I can write and then sasa nikikuja kusoma nachukua hii and then naandika nasoma hizo notes zenye yes ametusomea, alafu ninaandika kwa sticky note yangu and then I stick. Nikikuja kusoma I'm going to kusoma yenye mimi mwenyewe nimeandika, okay? I hope that one helped someone somewhere. So when I'll be back after nishamaliza kusoma like whatever I wanted to study right now, and then we shall continue the video. Oh my god, not me being like a motivational speaker or like come on. Come on. Okay, so I am done. Okay. Nimewachana na masomo kidogo. Sasa acha tutengeneze kunje manguo maybe. Okay, let's just start with the kitchen. Number one thing we're going to do is we're going to fix hii hapo juu. Uchafu. With kitchen, let me show you. Keep the money flipping is all I know. Going to organize the desk. We're done with the desk. These one are supposed to deliver it somewhere. Let's go to this side. Can you see how this side looks? Like it just looks pathetic. But I'm gonna do it in a jiffy. Keep the money flipping, it's all I know. Okay. Sasa anzia na wapi? Anaitwa Sharon aliniadvise nitoe nguo this side, nilete hizi alafu nguo niziweke hii side. now need to clean the house and the bathroom and the shoes. Nguo tutaosha kesho ama any other day. I don't think ni kesho. Let me not promise kesho. Onyitalia.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young.
Why? Kwani sauti imepotea? Guys, I am done cleaning the house. Na nimetoka nikaosha balcony, so sahi huku kushakauka. It's time now nipange back to how it was. Oh my god.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We gonna light it up now. Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room.
I am done. I am so done. kutengeneza like the reset. I am actually so comfortable, like nasikia tu sawa. I have done everything apart from kuosha hizo viatu. Maji imeisha. So hata mimi sijui. I think okay, maji ya huku inakuanga different ya bafu. I was actually supposed to speak English in the whole video. I don't know. The water. The supply of water in this house is usually different. Water that comes from the kitchen has a different supply from the water that comes from the bedroom. So water ya bathroom imeisha. Maji ya bafu imeisha. Maji ya kitchen ndo iko. So maybe I warm up some water ya kitchen so that I take a bath, and also to clean this. And also I've not managed to clean the bathroom. Nimeifunga, as you can see. Sitaki kuona kitu chafu sahi. So guys, nimechoka kama nguruwe. Nisemanga nguruwe. Nimechoka kama punda. So guys, up until next time, I love you so much. Bye bye.